welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Hannah, and today yesterday, I said in the video I made yesterday that I tried slime kits from Home Bargains. I used the bottles and the glisters and the glow powder because remember I didn't use them. If you've watched that video, I'll put the link in the description. Yeah. Anyway, and I've got 3 slime kits that I made, and they're all the powder colours. And I'm going to bring these on holiday for when we go to the beach in a caravan holiday, which is going to be like 6 weeks, about a week. So yeah, we've got a red one, which isn't a red colour, a yellow one, and a blue one. So let's start off with red because it's the start of the rainbow. So I use these from the slimes that I made. Let me go and show you. Let me just get the slimes that the clearish one, the holographic, and this one, and this one, and this one. Okay. Let's see if they are still like the normal slimy cells. Tiniest bit of residue. It's okay. We're going to touch them fully because I don't want to get my hands dirty because I'm showing you guys these slime kits and what's in them. So the bottles, the glitter, the glow in the dark powder, and the mixing utensils were all from these 3 slime kits. So yeah. Now let's do this one. This is like the clearest one. This one feels like more slimy. Got to be my favourite because it's so good. I like the pink one. I think this one's going to be really bad because not that bad. But I mean, it's okay. Yes, I'm in my pyjamas because this is a really early video because I just wanted to do it really early. So yeah. So you get 2 utensils, a popsicle stick and a spoon, and you can make 2 slimes with this because there's enough glue and activated for 2 slimes. So this one's just got plain clear glue because this is the tube of slime, which was I think the one this. I think I used this one was so these. This 1% sodium tetraborate. Guys, sodium tetraborate is basically borax. So it's 1% sodium tetraborate, which means that is why these slimes don't activate like normal slimes would activate with like 90% sodium tetraborate, like I've got. So then this is just clear glue. Don't want it to come out though, don't want to waste it. And then activate it. I don't know if this is like the... That's really greasy. So yeah, I think this is the activator that came with that. So I think it might have been the pink one. No, it isn't. I don't know. I know that one was definitely the green tube of clear glue, but this one I can't remember. Then some glitter. So it's just going to be plain clear yellow food colouring slime. So it's got yellow food colouring in here, and it's going to be a yellow glitter slime. Yellow clear slime with glitter in it. It sounded like I said glycerin in it, but no glycerin, obviously. So yeah, that is one of the slime kits. Like the first one that I made, I think. Yeah. No. First one I made was this one, I think. I can't remember which one I made first because it was last night at like 5 o'clock. And this is glow in the dark powder, so if I like cover it up and then I leave like a tiny bit, can you guys see that glow? Like tiny glow. Can you see? You see? Yeah, there's a tiny bit of glow. Like when I close it, let's go. it's like a bit like the sky's lighter today. It literally looks like corn flour, which is also known as cornstarch. Literally looks like that. I feel like it will feel like it as well. So I feel like it will make the slime a bit thicker as well. Cool. And then some more glitter. And that I feel like is going to make it a tiny bit green. So no green food colouring. And this glue is a mix of clear glue and it's fine, Mum, you can come in. It's okay. Okay. So this is a mix of clear glue and white glue. So yeah. And some activator and the 2 mixing utensils. So I'm really happy with all this. Mum, you can come in. I won't let them see you.
No, I'll go upstairs. I need to charge my phone.
Okay. My mum gets a tiny bit embarrassed by being on camera. So yeah. Well, welcome to my mum. No, she probably won't like that. Okay, so that is the yellow slime kit. I feel like this should be in here because this is like yellow food colouring. This is a yellow lidded slime. Oh yeah, by the way, I've used all the primary colours. And actually, these are more like, the yellow isn't as bright as it is in colour. It's sort of like an egg yolk yellow. Time to move on to the blue one. So just some, oh wait, no. Yeah, just some plain chunky glitter like the others have. And I can't believe that the glow-in-the-dark one actually came with glitter as well. That is like real crazy. Real crazy. So then activator, plain white glue, and the 2 mixing utensils. And in each of these slime things, I can make 2 slimes, or possibly even 3, if I'm lucky enough to do that. So yeah, those are like the slime kits, and then the slimes. I'm gonna feel like these test tube slime kits again because they just so nice. Oh my gosh, guys, I love this one. This is like the clear one because it's literally clear with the tint of yellowy. So you know, like the Elmer's clear glue. Like the gallon of Elmer's clear glue. It's not that clear, is it? It's just like a tiny bit tinted yellow. This is what the glue looked like for this to make this slime. So I think it might have been a part of Elmer's gallon of clear glue. I don't know. But yeah, it looked like it a lot. Sorry about my voice. It's going real weird. Yeah. I'm gonna take my horse to Town Road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I don't know why I'm singing that. God, it's not coming out. Oh, there we go. It's coming out now. Yay! Yay! Ooh. Oh, God. Oh, God. I'm looking at myself in my iPad because I'm filming with my iPad. I'm looking at myself play with the slime on the iPad and it's just like so weird. No. Nuh-uh, not doing it. Okay. Very slimy. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Going. Oh. It feels like a finger mask. Like, you know how you can have a face mask, hair mask. It feels like a finger mask. For $8. It looks like soap. I've got to wash my hands. Slimy. Sliminess is very fun. Sliminess is not fun. Slimy. Sliminess. Oh guys, by the way, I'm actually writing a book. Yeah, just like trying to make this like book that I can publish when I'm like older. It's called Dreams. It's really cool. It's about this girl called Hetty. Yes, I'm using my best friend's name, Hetty. If you're out there, you're the star in my book. You're starring in my book. And this old lady called Harriet, who wishes all of Hetty's wildest dreams that she could ever wish for. Okay guys, I actually feel like this is the least slimy, and like in the video I made yesterday, like the testing them out, it was like so slimy I couldn't even hold it like this, but now it feels like it's the least slimy out of all of them. And now it feels like the clear slime is the slimiest. So it's like they've taken different roles. And the galaxy one's going to stay middle. Like sticky but not sticky. So yeah. Really cool. I actually really like these. I like playing with them until they get like really like, not hard, like hot. And then they get warm. And then they just get easier to play with. I like it when they get like that. So yeah, I hope you guys liked me showing you the slime kits that I've made, and these 3 slime that I made yesterday. If you guys didn't see the video, well, it's called testing slime kits from Home Bargains. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, because I've got no subscribers apart from like I think 1. So yeah, and then I think I've got like 1 subscriber. Anyway, yeah, so yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Let's quickly do a like button challenge. If you can press the like button in 5 seconds, then you're a legend. Okay. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna stand up. Tuck your chair, you sit in the chair, just stand up, spin around like with your arms out like this, and then stand like this and say, I'm in love with Hannah, but come along with Hannah Banana's YouTube channel. No, don't say that actually. Just say like, I love slime, and then press the like button in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you guys did all that in 5 seconds, you're amazing. Peace, I'm out.